Alright guys, welcome back. So in today's video, yes, come on. In today's video, I will actually be installing the exhaust. It's right back there in the trunk. Oh, it's gonna make this car just quieter in the cabin. And it's gonna be so great. But anyways, I'm actually doing this at where my grandpa works. So we're gonna get this installed there, and then yeah, I'll bring you guys along for the journey and see how much better it sounds. I'm super excited because this thing is super loud in the cabin, but jeez. But here we are. Sorry for not. Oh, the exhaust is too low. One more complication. But oh well. This has been a pain, but it's gonna be worth it. Sorry for the lack of updates, just been working at it. And out we are. The exhaust is installed and we are good to go. And off we are. Oh, that sounds so much better. Oh, that is perfect. Anyways, give me just a moment. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we are all wrapped up with the exhaust. It is so much quieter, and I am so thankful because wow, it was so loud last time. You can actually drive it on the highway without just losing your brain, but it's all done, everything's good. I am on my way back home. It's 10 o'clock, probably be home by 11. It was a late night, but it was worth it to get this done. Next thing will be the rear stabilizer bar, and then I should be getting the side skirt done soon. I think Wednesday I'm gonna go get that installed, the side skirt for that side. And then I'm going to take this to a muffler shop. There's just a couple things that need touched up on it because the prior people welded the exhaust, which was a huge mess of an issue. They tack welded in a couple spots. There's not enough room underneath the car on just jack stands to actually get it off and grind it off. But it is what it is. And I need 2 exhaust hangers for the rear. That's all that needs to be done, and then we're all good. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on. Expect videos to come on this car with the muffler shop, the side skirt, and the exhaust getting all finalized. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys could, please hit that like button if you have not already. And the exit's closed. Damn. And if you guys could, hit that subscribe button, and please drop a comment below on what you want to see with this car, the Infiniti. I have plans for this car, the Infiniti. Honestly, I'm out of ideas. I don't know really what to do. But if if you could leave me down some ideas, that would be great. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.